So the next attribute we're going to look at is the change velocity attribute. So again, we'll create a brand new actor. We have actor 1 here that we can double click on. And then we can simply drag and drop change velocity into this behavior area. And you can see that we have a direction and a speed and a dial where we can change the direction, and of course a dial where we can change the speed, or we can just simply type in these values. So if I go back to my main workspace and drag actor 1 here into my stage, and click Preview, we get something that looks very similar to what we saw in an earlier video. Let's back this up, and let's again double click on actor 1. Now in an earlier video we had something called accelerate and also accelerate towards that we discussed. So let's just take a look at a difference between the change velocity and the accelerate. So for actor 1 we have the change velocity. So we'll create another actor, actor 2, and we're going to create accelerate. So if I bring actor 2 here inside my stage and I click preview, you can see there's a big difference here. What's happening is the change velocity is essentially getting that actor moving at that speed instantaneously. It's kind of going from 0 to that speed in no time at all. Versus actor 2, which has the accelerate, it starts off with no speed and slowly starts to pick up speed as it moves along. So depending on whether you want an actor moving right away or you want an actor kind of ease into a movement, that is the difference between using either the accelerate or the change velocity. So take a moment to experiment with both of these, because sometimes you're going to want an actor or a character in your game to kind of move with a little bit of momentum or have a slow start, and giving the impression that that actor has a little bit of weight to them. And sometimes you're going to want things to just instantly start and move and be at that speed exactly the way you want it to be. So experiment with these two in conjunction with each other, because they're very, very similar, but they also have very, very different impact on what you're doing with your characters. And in case you didn't watch the accelerate video, let's just take a moment to discuss a few of the attributes. So again, actor 1 has our change velocity in it. You can grab this directional dial to switch that, and this speed dial to switch that up as well. So you can see if I take this dial and make this point straight down, then with this actor he'll go straight down. And of course we can adjust this any way that we want. Maybe to the top left, we'll hit preview, and you can see he's moving to the top left as well. So take a moment to experiment with some change velocity attributes, and then again take a look at accelerate as well.